Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily check and manage device name on XIAOMI Smart Projector L1 Pro. So first, what we need to do is go over to settings. Right here we have all settings. Now let's go over to system, about. Here we have the device name, so we can click on it. Here we can either don't change or change the name. Now here we can choose a name, as you guys can see, or right at the bottom we can enter the custom name. So let me show you guys how it works. We can press and hold to speak. So now let me show you how it works. Hello. And now I gave it a custom name. So now the device name is changed. That will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.